Overall, we're really happy with these doors and I'm glad we chose them. Just to go over some of the reasons we did choose them. We like that it has an ultra thin bezel on it. So basically it's called semi-frameless because it's got like a minimalist frame design. You can also see it in the handles. They tried to just keep everything very minimal, so it's really easy to clean. It's just a lot of glass. And it gives you that frameless look without having to pay the expensive price of frameless. We also like how the design is set up to discourage water leaks. This piece here has like no overlap, and it is like that for the whole frame. We also like those magnetic strips that come in and out. They're a lot easier to get in than the classic kind that go into tracks. Another thing that's cool is this bottom piece. You'll see that it doesn't have a track that can hold water. It's open on the inside shower side, so it encourages water to kind of brush off of it. Also, we like the solid design. It might not be easy to tell from the video, but this big piece up here is really solid. It's on there really good. The side pieces and bottom are all really solid. So once you have it in place, you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. The doors are pretty heavy. You don't have to worry about them sagging or falling off. And also these little guards up here are nice too, to keep it from coming off the track. They're also really easy to clean. Horow has something they call CleanCoat on these doors, which is basically a special coating that makes it so you can clean it easier and so it doesn't stain, which is pretty cool. But that's our shower door. It's installed. It's the Horow K2 Semi-Frameless sliding glass shower door. And we're really happy with it. I recommend it.